good day, and we are so glad this year. It's because isa to sa mga talagang trip na trip ko sa buhay ko. We are gonna be talking about shoes, sapatos this very day, and we are here with Sir Reynel. Sir, salamat.
Nice to meet
for
you po.
having us. Reynel Hustle Speakers is in the house, and we will be talking about the history of how he started his business and kung ano yung mga bagay or mga sneakers na ino-offer niya for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and we will be having fun this very time. Sir Reynel, kailan nag-start yung Reynel Hustle Sneakers?
Actually, yung brand na ba mismo? Okay, yung brand, I guess, started year, ano ba? Wait lang, alalahanin natin.
2020, 2021, 2022?
I guess na-build ko yung brand year 2022 na siya. But yung pag sneaker reselling ko, I started from year 2019, pandemic days.
Wow.
So yung reason lang naman nun is pinakasimple.
Mm.
I just want to make extra money.
Wow.
'Di ba? Kumbaga sa student, ganun. And then yeah, I just started din naman pa isa-isa sa Ukay.
Mm.
And that time nakastay ako sa province, sa Antique.
Wow. Shout out sa mga atikin niyo dyan. Oh.
Yeah. So nung time na 'yon, I just talagang trinay ko lang talaga mag-resell ng shoes kasi as a kid na wala kang shoes, 'di ba? You're just admiring people na may mga magagandang sapatos, ganyan. And then sabi ko, why not try ko magbenta?
Wow.
So, yun, nag-try ako mag-hunt sa Ukay, sa bayan lang namin.
Okay.
I flip it, bibiling ko siya ng 500, then flip ko siya ng 1K, ganyan. And then, I saw a potential, kumbaga. Sabi ko, try natin.
Wow.
And then, fast forward, 2019 to 2022, I guess, doon na na-build yung RH Sneakers. Pero, it's not that, hindi pa siya ganun ka stable, kumbaga. Talagang, lang siya, kumbaga sa pang-gasolina lang, pang-baon-baon lang, kumbaga, as a student. So, after nung 2022, na-stop ko siya actually. 2023 to 2024, na-stop ko siya kasi I was graduating that time.
Okay.
And then, yun, after nun, nag-graduate ako and I became part-time instructor din. Yeah, I became a teacher, college instructor din.
Okay.
So, that time, habang nagtuturo ako, parang pumasok ulit sa isip ko na, why not balik ko ulit yung pagbibenta ng shoes na ngayon na may mga students na ako nakikitang parang wala silang magandang sapatos, ganyan. So, I want to help them in a way na makakabenta rin ako, parang gano'n. So, yeah, yung pinaka-una kong sahod nung nag-teach ako is inubos ko talaga siya sa stocks ng sapatos.
Wow.
Yeah, naalala ko parang bumili ako ng 15, 20 pairs. Walang buyer yon, talagang pure risk lang talaga siya. And then, yeah, luckily, nabenta ko siya lahat. And starting from there, parang doon ko na realize na parang kaya ko pala. Sabi ko, pwede pala. So, yeah, parang cut the long story short, I leave teaching.
Wow.
Di na ako nagturo for some reason. And then, yeah, parang talagang nag-jump in na lang ako na mag-focus na lang sa pagbibenta ng sapatos. Kumbaga, talagang risk na lang kung risk. Kumbaga, yun. That's why I decided na lumipat dito sa Iloilo. Bumalik dito sa Iloilo, kumbaga. And then, yeah, yun. Okay
So
na ba?
there you have it, siguro, Sir Reynel. Speaking about first, let's do first yung time na estudyante ka pa.
Okay.
Then you flipped it and that. And then you stopped because you want to finish school. Pero, once you graduated, bumalik siya again. Kailan talaga nag-start yung love mo sa sapatos?
Love as in love?
Yung parang gustuhan mo na, nagustuhan mo sa magsapatos, magganyan.
Literally siguro, 7 years old, I guess.
Wow.
Talaga. May pinsan kasi ako dati na, actually babae yung pinsan ko na yun eh. So, hindi ko na siya papangalanan.
Shoutout sa pinsan na hindi pinapangalanan.
Shoutout sa'yo.
Sige.
And then, parang nung time na yon, siya yung parang ahead sa aming magpipinsan that time. Parang, kumbaga, tsinelas pa lang kami na yung makakapal.
Yes.
Siya meron na siyang Converse.
Wow.
Parang gano'n, sabi ko, sana lahat ng mga sapatos, no? Parang gano'n. So yeah, parang starting from there, hindi na nawala yung parang kilig ko sa sapatos, kumbaga. So yeah.
And then maybe someone here who will be watching this video, maybe katulad mo, gusto din nila ng sapatos. And they have, may konti ding puhunan siguro like you. And they wanted to start a little bit shoe reselling business, of their own. Maybe hindi sila from the city, maybe out of town or somewhere. What is your advice for them in starting a shoe reselling business?
My advice, I guess, una, you need to love lang talaga kung ano yung gagawin mo. Kumbaga para siya parang kang nangliligaw. Kumbaga, you just need to fight for it. Kumbaga,
Wow.
di ba? So yun lang talaga. Kumbaga, kung gusto mo talagang gawin yun, just go for it. Kumbaga, makakarating ka rin naman eh. I mean, wala pa naman ako dun eh. Kumbaga, starting lang din ako tulad nyo. So, yeah, try nyo lang. Pwede yun.
This is not taught in school.
No?
Tama. Business.
Yeah.
What was your greatest business advice na binigay sa'yo? Maybe you watch it from somebody, you heard it from somebody, or personal talaga na tao nagsabi sa'yo. Ano ba yung pinaka great na business advice na kinakapitan?
Sa business advice naman na may ibibigay ko, na tinuro sa akin, siguro doon na lang sa pinaka-recent na taong nakapagsabi sa akin. Which is kung kilala nyo lang naman, si Boss King. So, I met him last year yata. And then, yung pinaka-advice niya lang talaga is, kasi tinatanong ko pa siya nung time na yun kung maganda bang ipursu ko yung selling ng shoes while I was teaching or mag-stop ako magbenta ng shoes para bumalik mag-teach. So, he just ended it with a one-liner na pumili ka na lang. Alin ba yung mas masaya ka? Alin ba yung mas gusto mo?
Shoutout kay Boss King.
Shoutout sa'yo, bro. Babalik ka sa pagtuturo na ayaw mo naman or magti-take risk ka magbenta kahit mahirap.
Wow.
Yeah. So, yun lang.
Wow. There you have it. Let's go now to RH Sneakers. What are the sneakers that you are selling and how could they order if they wanted to get a pair from RH Sneakers?
Okay. So, ang mga pairs na binibenta natin are affordable pairs lang. Yun na lang yung tawagin natin siyang affordable pairs. Brand new, lahat. And then,
With box
with box. With socks pa kung mabait ka. Di ba? Kung hindi ka masakit sa ulo. De, joke lang. So, yan. Ganun. And then, sa mga gustong umorder naman, you can message our Facebook page, RH Sneakers.
Yeah.
Nasa FB naman tayo and almost daily nga rin tayo nagpo-post ng content para mapansin nyo, kumbaga.
Yep.
So, yeah. Kumbaga kita-kita na lang tayo sa messages.
So there you have it. If you're a business you want to be featured next, comment down below. And again, kung kayo, baka ang tagal nyo nang hindi nakabili ng brand new na sapatos na affordable, please do message RH Sneakers. Find a pair. Siyempre, tatanungin kung anong gusto nyo, pang basketball, pang running, pang flex, or anything, no? Then give them the size that you want. Sir Rainiel will be here to accommodate you. And also, please, huwag kayong mahiya to message them because I know they would accommodate. May libre daw socks kung mabait, so pambait-bait na lang kayo mag-message. But anyway, last question, Sir Rainiel. I know you've made a great leap from being a professional. Alam naman natin, Diba? Sinasabi ng lahat, you have to go to school, you have to graduate, and get a job. Did you regret transitioning from being a person with a job and then having a business?
No.
No.
Yun na yung pinaka-short answer siguro doon, no. Pero sa malalim na reason naman, my family are all professionals. My cousins especially. Highly professional.
Okay.
And you can consider me as one of the parang masasabi mong naiiba sa kanila. Because maybe siguro hindi lang ako lumaki ng tawag niyan. Sabihin na lang natin tamad lang talaga ako mag-aral siguro. I don't have a dream siguro kumbaga. So nung na-unlock ko yung pagbibenta, not just shoes, kundi yung skills ng pagbibenta, doon ko na-realize na, okay, parang pwede rin pala akong marunong din pala ako. So, why not i-build ko na lang siya? Kasi ganun din naman di ba? Magti-teacher ka, need mo mag-aral, need mo ng, anong tawag niyan? Need mo magpa-promote, and so on, so on. So, why not promote ko na lang self ko dahan-dahan sa pagbibenta? So, yun, kumbaga, sobrang layo pa. Sobrang layo ko pa kumbaga. Pero I'm just siguro happy enough na yun, napapagbigyan tayo ng isang brand boss, di ba? So yeah, yun lang siguro.
So there you have it. Thank you very much, Ariel.
Thank you po.
God bless everybody and see you on our next vlog.